In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MX records in your hosting or domain. If you're setting up custom email for your domain, this is an important step. MX records, which stands for Mail Exchange Records, tell the internet where email for your domain should be delivered. So if you're connecting your domain to an email provider, you'll need to enter the correct MX records in Hostinger so your messages go to the right place. To get started, head over to Hostinger and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain section and click on it. This is where Hostinger lists the domains connected to your account and lets you manage their settings. From there, find the website or domain you want to update, then click Manage. That will open the domain management area where you can access all the DNS settings for that specific domain. Next, click on DNS or name servers. This is the section where you manage DNS records like A records, CNAME records, TXT records, and in this case, MX records. Since MX records control mail delivery, this is exactly where you need to be. Before adding anything new, scroll down and check whether there are already MX records in place. If there are, delete the existing MX records first. This is especially important if you're switching from one email provider to another. Leaving old MX records in place can cause email delivery problems because messages may still try to route to the previous provider. If this is a brand new setup and no MX records exist yet, then you can simply move on. Now go to the area where you can add a new DNS record and click Choose Type. From the list of available record types, select MX. That tells Hostinger you're creating a mail exchange record specifically for email routing. Once the MX form appears, go to the name field and enter the @ symbol. In Hostinger, the @ symbol means the root domain, so this applies the record directly to your main domain rather than a subdomain. Then move to the mail server field, sometimes shown as points2. Here, you'll enter the mail server hostname provided by your email provider. This value comes from the email service you're using, not from Hostinger itself. So make sure you copy it exactly as your provider gives it to you. You may also notice that Hostinger has a quick setup area for certain services like Shopify, Google Workspace, and Google Site Verification. In this example, we're using the Google Workspace option and copying the mail server shown there, then pasting it into the mail server field. If you're using a different provider, just use the server name they supplied instead. After that, set the priority. MX records use priority numbers to tell mail systems which servers should be tried first. Lower numbers have higher priority. Your email provider should tell you what number to use. If they only give you one mail server, it will usually be something simple like 1 or 10. In this example, we're entering 1. Next is TTL, which stands for time to live. This controls how long DNS information may be cached before it refreshes. In Hostinger, you can leave this at 14400, which is perfectly fine for this setup. Once everything is filled in, click Add Record. That saves the MX record to your domain's DNS zone. If your provider gave you more than one mail server, repeat the same process for each one, using the exact priorities they assigned. To confirm it worked, first look at the DNS zone list in Hostinger. If the new MX record appears there, that means it has been added successfully on Hostinger's side. To verify that it's actually being served publicly, use an MX lookup tool and search your domain using the MX lookup option. You should see the mail servers and their priority values listed there. In many cases, the record appears almost right away, but full email routing changes can still take a little time to propagate. That could be a few minutes, a couple of hours, or in some cases up to 24 hours. So if the lookup shows the right MX record but email hasn't fully started flowing yet, that usually means the setup is correct, and you just need to give it a little more time. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.